Hi, it's me, Dr. Prasad Patil. I'm continuing my classes on my YouTube channel, my intuition, classes on chemistry, as well as learning mathematics, the regular class, as well as entrance coaching class for first PUC plus one, second PUC, that is plus two students. If you share this information to the students, it will be more useful for them. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're a subscriber, if you're a student, please watch my video completely and give your valuable feedback to the comment box or to the WhatsApp number displayed in the screen. This particular class is for haloalkanes, class number 10, haloalkanes reaction with metals. With metals, say example lithium. Haloalkanes react with lithium to form alkyl lithium reagent, that is RX, that is a general representation of alkyl halides or haloalkanes. It reacts with lithium to Li gives RLi, it is alkyl lithium reagent plus lithium halide LiX. So we call it as alkyl lithium reagent because it is a good, it is less stable or it is highly reactive. It can be used as a reagent. Reaction with the zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid HCl or reaction with sodium in alcohol, almost the same reaction it will give. So haloalkane reacts with zinc in dilute HCl or sodium in alcohol to form alkanes. So that is RX haloalkane or alkyl halide reacts with 2H. So here it is atomic hydrogen, that is given in bracket. So 2H gives in zinc and dilute HCl, it gives RH, that is alkane plus HX. Okay, so this the particular reaction, that is a reduction reaction. Okay, a reduction takes place, that is a reduction of haloalkane to alkane. Now doubt comes, what is reduction reaction? So reduction reaction can be defined in many ways. It can be defined as the addition of hydrogen. So in previous example, we seen that hydrogen is added. Therefore, we can call it that particular reaction as reduction reaction. So the alkyl halide, it gains proton or it gains hydrogen. Therefore, we can say that it undergo reduction. Or in other terms, we can say that it is loss of oxygen. Okay, if some oxygens are involved in the reaction, and if oxygen is added to the molecule, then we call it as loss of adding oxygen is known as oxidation, and loss of oxygen, that is reduction. Or better way, we can say that it is the decrease in oxidation number or gaining of electrons. So the first two statements we use whenever that particular type of reaction is there. Whereas decrease of oxidation number or gaining of electron, that is the most commonly used, and it is a more better way to define the reduction. Reaction with the sodium in dry ether. So haloalkanes reacts with the sodium in dry ether to give higher alkane, that is RX haloalkane or alkyl halide plus sodium in dry ether gives RR, that is we call it as the higher alkane, plus 2NaX. Okay, so here this credit of this reaction goes to Charles Adolf Woods. Therefore, we call this type of reactions as Woods reaction. Okay, so here Woods reaction. So Rx, that is say if it is CH3Cl plus Na sodium in dry it will give CH3 single bond CH3. We will get ethane. That is methyl chloride to ethane. So we call it as we are getting higher alkanes. So if you take a mixture of methyl chloride and ethyl chloride, what will be the product that you can try and write and try out. Okay, it will be more interesting to see such type of examples. Reaction with magnesium in dry ether. In magnesium in dry ether, it will give alkyl magnesium halides. Okay, haloalkanes reacts with the magnesium in dry ether to give alkyl magnesium halides, one of the very important reagent it is. So Rx plus Mg in dry ether gives RMgX, that is alkyl magnesium halides, and the credit goes to Victor Grignard. Okay, during his doctoral thesis, he invented this one. Then this particular reagent, it is known as Grignard reagent, and Grignard continued his work on alkyl magnesium halides, or introduced a new series or new branch of chemistry itself, that is organometallic compounds, and for his contribution to the chemistry he got Nobel Prize in 1912. And actually he shared the Nobel Prize with some other scientists. Okay, you can find it out who is the other one. Okay, so he got Victor Grignard got a Nobel Prize for his work on Grignard reagent or alkyl magnesium halides followed by organometallic compounds. So here the Grignard reagent RMGX, the carbon magnesium. So I written RMG. RMG means that is an alkyl group. Magnesium is connected to carbon. Okay, so the carbon magnesium bond is covalent in nature. It's covalent, but it is polar in nature. With carbon pulling the electrons from the electropositive magnesium. Okay, so I can represent it as partial negative charge to the carbon and partial positive charge to magnesium. Whereas the magnesium halide, it is ionic in nature. Ionic in nature means halide is having negative charge. Okay, therefore, because of this particular electron pulling, electron movement effect, it is highly reactive. Grignard reagent, it is very highly reactive. Therefore, any source of proton, okay, it is having partial negative. Magnesium is having partial negative charge, and any source of proton H plus, like water molecule or ammonia or alcohol, it will be converted to corresponding hydrocarbon, that is RMgX plus H2O gives RH plus MgOH. Okay, so this type of reactions with Grignard reagent is also used to convert haloalkanes to the corresponding hydrocarbon. Okay, that is uh, my class on my YouTube channel, My Intuition. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Once again, thank you very much. Have a nice day.